Welcome to Applied Technology Lab. I'm Brian Berletic, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on what we're working on right now. We're working on this. This is a modular experimental prototype for basically it's just a lamp. But as you can see, it's got these panels, and these panels have 3mm bolts holding them in, and they're very easy to take off and replace. So you can see once the panel is removed, there's a lot of space in there. This is for the light bulb, and then there's a lot of space in there to fit a lot of things. You could get quite a few microcontrollers or single board computers or sensors or anything in there, really. There's a lot of space. This is a big prototyping platform. That's what this is. We'll release this design, and we'll release a much smaller one. The triangular panels and the diamond panels come off. So does this top panel. And actually what you're left with is just the frame that you saw in the time lapse. What we're going to do is design panels to accept all of these different sensors, switches, and displays. I got a collection of different light bulbs. These are some of the smaller ones, like maybe 3 watts, and then we go up to 13 watts right here. We can make lamps that detect motion. We can make lamps that automatically switch on and off. Lamps that look at the level of light in the room and turn themselves on and off accordingly. There's a lot of possibilities. We're going to start with a few basic ideas, and then we're going to work from there. And then because we already did the E63 lamp. This was a designer lamp that was in the movie Blade Runner 2049. We designed it, we 3D printed it, we released the designs for free. Check our Thingiverse account. It's up there for free for everybody. And we were thinking about doing some electronic projects with that, but I think this is a lot better because it's a lot more versatile. Now, this took a long time to print. The frame took a long time to print, took over a day. It's very big. You need a pretty big 3D printer to print it. So this is what we're starting with. I'm going to be doing videos on how this project develops, but at the end of the project, the files that we actually put up, unless people want this big one, we might put it up there anyway. We're probably going to design a much smaller one that is a lot easier to print out and customize than this one. This is the learning process. When you design and make things, you have to be patient. You got to go through iterations, and you got to learn as much as you can from each iteration. Don't be afraid to fail. Sometimes when you're designing something in SketchUp or in Blender, there's so many things that you're not going to be able to possibly know until you print it out and you start putting it together. All the little problems that crop up when you're making it and then when you're using it. So this project is one part making a modular prototyping lamp that anyone could use and develop the way they want to, but it's also kind of a good look at the development process of any new design. Stay tuned for that. Again, check out our Thingiverse account. The link will be in the video description below. We have a lot of free designs already up that we've been working on over the years. And right now, what we're trying to do is build a community around just making cool things and releasing the designs for free for the public. Everything is for free. We depend on the support of people who have the means to support us. In the video description, there are some options. Patreon to support us month to month, one-time donations, or even if you're just helping spread the word about what we're doing or bringing in some sort of technical expertise. That is also greatly appreciated. And remember, knowledge is power, but only if you apply it.